Welcome to Quick Fix, the show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're finally organizing our iCloud photos. If you use iCloud Photos to sync all of your images to the cloud, eventually you might want to back them up somewhere else for safekeeping. Here's how. On your Mac, open the Photos app. Click Photos on the top left menu bar, then Preferences. Click iCloud, then Download Originals to this Mac. Now all of your photos will be stored in the Photos app directly on your Mac. If you want to back up your photos to an external hard drive for extra safety, you can do that using a third-party service like Backblaze, or with Apple's built-in Time Machine service as part of your overall Mac backup. If you want to back up photos manually to an external hard drive, plug in the hard drive, click Finders, then Pictures. Drag and drop the Photos library to the hard drive and wait for everything to transfer. Organizing your iCloud photos is a little more time-consuming, but you can do that by creating new albums on iCloud.com. Navigate to iCloud.com, select Photos. Then add a new album by clicking the plus sign, then New Album. Name your album and click OK. Then start adding photos to it by selecting individual images or batch selecting a group. Then click the plus. A pop-up menu will display your album options. Click the one you want to move your photos to. Now all your iCloud photos are safe and sound.